All right, we are going to do CSS battle. Let's start our stopwatch. Let's go to CSS battle. Let's see what we have today. We have a flower kind of thing. I don't know what to call it. Background is going to be kind of yellowish. We try at first to go a little bit fast. So here we're just going to say position fixed and margin 0. And then we're going to add a paragraph tag. We're going to do, how do I want to do this? I don't know how I want to do this. Let's do border radius. Let's do, I think I can do percentage for that sort of shape. We need a paragraph tag or two if we want this to work. We have to have a background of the dark green. It needs to have a height of, I'm not sure what it is, 100. And in my brain, I should be seeing it right now. Why am I not seeing it? Has no width. Right, because I did position fixed. Width 100. Let's do that. Okay, there is the thing that we have. It's not a very good thing, but it's a thing. Let's make it this way. Okay. Maybe it needs to be 100. That's closer. It's close to the right shape. It's not the right size, but it's close to the right shape. Let's go ahead and set the top to something like 40, 30. 30 is closer. Let's set left to 10. That looks right. And that means height and width are 80. That looks right. We need another one of these, so let's do plus P. How do we want to do the other one? There are a number of ways we can do this. Let's just do border radius 100% 0. Let's do top 100. And let's make the paragraph exist. There's the thing. Let's make top 200. Let's make top 190. That actually looks right. Let's do another paragraph tag. Border radius 0. Let's do top 100. Let's do width 200. Let's do left 90. And then let's add this paragraph tag. There it is. All right, top needs a little more 110. Width can be a little less, actually. Let's make it, it needs to be more than that 120. Something like that. And then, can we say, up here, can we say web, get box, reflect, right? We can, but it's going to reflect around everything, isn't it? So everything gets its own offset. That's disappointing. We can fix that one. So 110. That one works. Unfortunately, those don't work as well. So let's go ahead. Let's abandon that completely. Yeah, let's abandon that completely. Let's make this 220. And then we can go up and play with these a little bit. Let's go ahead and add another selector here. This one is going to be top 30 and left, I don't know where it is, 200. And get rid of that. There's the thing. It's going to be 310. Okay, there's that. Now we need 2 more paragraph tags. There they are. We need another one here, plus P. Actually, we can do it either way. Let's put it here. Plus P. And then not close it. Let's say top is 190 and left is 310. Why is that wrong? This one we need to go away. All right. So we're going to do this one and this one. That should be it, shouldn't it? Background red. Okay, I have the wrong one. Now I'm really confused. It's supposed to be going fast. 6.5 minutes isn't very fast. Okay. Sorry. Outline. 1Q. Solid. So that goes to everything, of course, because I'm inheriting everything. Okay, that's that one. That's where it should be. This one is where it should be. That one's fine. This one, got it. This one is the problem. Top is 190, that's correct. This is this one. Right. It needs a left of 10. Then this one needs a left of 310. That should be a match if I get rid of the outline. That was a disaster. Yeah, that was a disaster. And it's not a match. Oh, well, I think I hit the button before I got rid of outline. Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and minify, submit, verify. This is a way to do it. What I would probably do differently, obviously I wouldn't have this. This would be probably, well, all right, let's just start over. So what I would do probably would be something like this. Background is going to be dark green. It's going to margin in 100 and I don't know 80. Outline 1Q solid. Okay, it's not enough on top 110 and not enough on the sides 90. Is it not enough on bottom? Or is that just because of the body? That's just because of the body. Okay. So there is that. To make this work, however, we need a box shadow. It's going to be, as long as I'm doing box shadow, I should do box shadow. It's going to be 0.0009 inch, and it's going to be this yellow color. And since I'm using box shadow anyway, let's go ahead and say inset 2" 0, and we can make this color. 2" isn't quite enough. Okay. 9". All right, there we have our box in the middle. Now we want a body selector. We're going to say border radius 100% 0. Let's go ahead and put the outline there. Why can't we see it at all? It's in there. I would still expect us. Oh, I can't see anything. Okay. Well, no. So if we allow that to inherit, then I have to turn the box shadow off to get it to work. Shadow 0 0. Okay, there we see a little box down at the bottom that is this thing, and we're changing the shape of our HTML. So let's say margin 0. Now we can kind of see the very edges of it, which is kind of weird. Let's make this 2 red. Okay, there we see. Oh, that's why we see the edges of it. Okay, that's fine. All right, let's say minus 80. And then minus on the right. Actually, we don't want minus on the right. We want something big, 100. Minus 80. 0. Probably 1. 80. And then on the left, minus 80. Okay. Now we have a thing. It's not a good thing, but it's a thing. I think these are backwards of what I want. That's better. That 220. That looks like it's in the right place. Now, instead of box shadow that, let's go ahead and do, whoops, that's okay. That, and that's fine. Then we need, it's not far enough, it's going to be 250 pixels and 100 pixels. Okay, it's not right, but getting close. Let's do 300. No. And 180, 60. That looks okay. Let's get rid of our outline. Although, let's keep our outline. Now we need to do something. We need, I guess, to have a paragraph tag. And to exist, it needs to be in the DOM. Now, it doesn't have any height. So let's give it a height of 80. It doesn't have any width right now either. Margin 0. There is. Let's do scale minus 1. 1. Okay. Now, can we just push it down? We could use translate. We could translate. We could push it down with translate. But I wonder if we can just use margin. So let's see. So that is working, but it is pushing everything around with it. Can we break that from happening? I mean, it changed it. 0, 100 pixels. That works. We don't get the box shadow one. I don't know why. Oh, well, we probably do. It's probably just, should be scaled Y. Where is the box shadow? There's still that one. And then let's do 100 pixels, 100 pixels. We should see that box shadow somewhere, shouldn't we? Is it off screen the other way? There it is. So it is flipped. So it needs to be minus 300, minus 160. That's weird. Let's do, what if it's that way? And then can we get rid? Nope, doesn't work. There it is. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. All right, that's better. Height, margin. I still have to set margin 0, don't I? Yeah. That's unfortunate. 242. Not a very good score. Not a very good score at all. Well, but it's not really because I can get rid of that completely. That's 207. Still not a great score. Let's unit replace. Minify, submit, redify. I don't know. 17 minutes already. I may be back. I don't know today. Anyway, that's what I have for today. That's kind of not a very good solution. 204 characters. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot better ways to do this that I am not doing right now. So, if I don't return, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.